What built the island city of basalt towers and tidal canals known as Nan Madol? And why does its mystery still haunt the Pacific and archaeologists around the world centuries later? Hidden among mangroves off Pohnpei in the Federated States of Micronesia, Nan Madol comprises over 100 artificial islets linked by narrow tidal canals. Towering basalt walls and stone causeways forming sacred precincts. Built between roughly AD 1200 and 1600 from prismatic basalt columns transported across lagoon waters. The city's massive overwater platforms and precise stonework still confound engineers and historians. Local oral traditions recount the Saudeleur dynasty and a formidable founder whose ritual power, hierarchical rule, and extraordinary mobilization organized labor to raise the island metropolis and enforce social order. Scholars argue that complex, chiefly institutions, advanced canoe technology, skilled quarrying, logistics, and sustained intergenerational labor not magic explained Nan Madol's construction and monumental spatial planning. Recent environmental studies implicate resource depletion, its altered rainfall patterns, rising sea influence, and agricultural stress as factors that undermined prosperity and contributed to the site's gradual abandonment. Its Venice of the Pacific image stems from a grid of canals, stone causeways, tomb platforms, and ceremonial courts that give the ruins a haunting urban rhythm. Thick vegetation, erosion, intermittent looting, wartime damage, and limited funding have constrained archaeological work, leaving chambers, burials, and many inscriptions incompletely recorded or still waiting discovery. Nan Madol today symbolizes island ingenuity, ancestral memory, and Micronesian cultural heritage, prompting protective efforts and renewed local interest in preserving communal history. Visiting requires care, guided approaches, respectful conduct, and awareness that the mossed walls, narrow passages, and tidal pools are fragile and saturated with human stories. Important mysteries persist about transportation methods, long-distance trade networks, the social organization of the ruling elite, and the ceremonial or political purposes that shaped Nan Madol's monumental spaces. Modern techniques like LiDAR surveys, underwater archaeology, and refined radiocarbon dating are slowly lifting veils, enabling researchers to map submerged features and refine construction chronologies. International recognition, community-led stewardship, and collaborative research projects aim to protect Nan Madol's ruins while balancing tourism with indigenous rights and ecological resilience. Nan Madol fascinates because it compresses urban planning, ritual landscape, and island history into partly submerged stone, inviting wonder, scholarly debate, and imaginative storytelling about human possibility. If you enjoyed this voyage into Nan Madol's mysteries, subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment which ancient site you'd like us to explore next.